Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulil Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. La in shakartum la azidannakum rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. So, welcome all of you. So, I am requesting Ms. Diba, Smitha and Ghazala to unmute. Okay. So today we are going to complete our topic of shart, condition, conditional sentence. So today the part is very easy and very simple. There is no change actually. We will observe just simply there is some understanding and some points are there to know. After that, there are if in reality I would say there are few topics remaining. But I will conclude with two more topics, which are very important related to Quran. So after this lecture, possibly there will be 2 or 3 more lectures, but the remaining, whatever will be the remaining, I will guide you how you will learn those things. Because surely you need to do practice and you need to go through the book. So as I already referred you a book, Lisanul Quran, which is having 3 volumes. Lisanul Quran, Lisanul Quran, 3 volumes. This book was written by the teachers of Madrasa Aisha Siddiqa, Karachi. So that is very good book, and it is written typically in English language. So it is very easy for you to understand. Whatever the subject I taught you, it is available in this book. You can refer this book, you can go in the book, you can read those things which I taught you in detail. Because now, if you will open this book and you will start reading it, you will correlate the topics. It will be easy for you, inshallah, bismillah, because you already have the concept. So the things which are now remaining, see, what I want to tell you that grammatically, which is having technical observing. For example, I have to pick some sentence in Quran, grammatically its position. That is very important. So the remaining 2 lectures, I'll try to cover this point only. Other things are, you can say it more or less related to the vocabulary. So inshallah, you will overcome it by the passage of time, inshallah, biiznillah. So today we are going to learn what? Diba, can you read what it is written?
Yes. Today we will learn about those which does not make verb majzoom.
Very good. So in the first lecture, we studied about those letters or those nouns which are making fail mudare majzoom. And then we learned, then we divided it into 2 parts. There are, for example, now we'll go to see in the list. So in the first, we have adawatu shartillatil jazima. These are the instruments which make fail mudare majzoom in ma, man, mahma, mata, ayyana, aynama, anna, haythuma, ayyu, kaifama. On the second hand, we have those instruments which does not make fail mudare majzoom. So this we divided into 2. The first we learned in the previous lecture, idha, lamma, kullama, and amma. Remaining, we are remaining with 2 only. These 2 are why I separated from the others, because it is actually related with some meaning understanding. We need to understand law and lawla, because both have different meaning and different understanding than others. So that is the most important point why I delayed it. Okay, in Quran, they are vastly used. Law is the mostly used after idha. So it means it is very important to know. Okay, now we'll move forward. As all the things will remain same as it was in the last lecture. So the next part is law, uses of law. Okay, so Diba, can you read the sentence?
لو جاء خالد لأكرمته.
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 لأكرمته. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is law here?
Sir, Adat al-Shart.
Very good. Adatu shart. And the jumlatu shart is Ja'a Khalidun. Okay?
Yes.
Ja'a fi'l madi, Khalidun, it is fa'il. So with law, there is one thing very special. In Jawabu shart, you will observe what? What you will observe, Diba? What is highlighted?
Lam, sir.
Lam.
Fatakid.
Lam. You can say it
Okay.
is called in Arabic language Jawabul Waqia.
Okay.
Jawabul Waqia. Jawab, it means answer. Al Waqia. Things which happen is called Al Waqia. Al Waqi. Anything which happens. Now, law is very important. When we were studying Ida, it means something will happen surely. Right, Dr. Smitha?
Yes, sir. 100%.
100%. It will happen. And when we
Yeah.
say in, what does it mean, Diba?
Sir, it may be it happens, or it may be that it does
It
not
may
happen.
can happen and it may cannot happen.
Yes.
But when it comes to law, it means something not happened. What it means, Diba?
It does not happen.
It did not happen.
Did not happen.
For example, now, لو جاء خالد لأكرمته. This lam is considered Jawabul Waqia. It means Khalid did not came. That was the thing which stopped him to make him his guest.
Okay.
So Khalid did not came to you. For example, your friend, she did not came to you. If she would have come to you, you would have served him her tea or lunch, and you would have spent time with her, right?
Yes, sir.
She did not came. Sometimes we say normally in our life we are doing these things. I think much, because in our life these things are happening in huge quantity. For example, I tell sometime to my friend, you did not came to me. If you came to me, I would have helped you, but you did not approach me, right, Diba? Sometimes we
Yes, sir.
do like that. So this law is very important. It means something did not happen. Okay, but we'll go into slightly detail. Now, you will observe law, adatu shart, instrument for condition. You will observe a sentence, a complete sentence after law. Okay, Diva?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And then in the answer of condition, you will observe what? Lam. This
Lam.
lam is very important. There will be no
Yes.
fa. There will be lam.
Okay.
So by lam, you will pick, it is Jawab shart. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll move forward. Now next sentence, can you read, Dr. Smitha?
Yes, sir. لو قلت صدق ما دخلت السجن.
لو قلت الصدق ما دخلت السجن. Now, Diba, what is law?
This is Adatu Shart.
Adatu shart. And we have Jumlatu shart, qultu sidqa, and Jawabu shart, ma dakhalta sijna. Now, you are observing there is no lam, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why the lam is not there? Because ma is actually nafi.
Okay. Nafi.
So it means if we have ma nafi, then there is no lam. Okay?
Okay. Sir.
Law qultu sidqa, if you said the truth, ma dakhalta sijna, you would have not entered the jail. Because he didn't, there is something which is missing, because this is not happened. As I told, law is coming for the shart which is not actually happened. Okay, now we'll go more into detail. Can you read, Ghazala? What is the line?
Yes, sir. It is also called abstention letter.
Abstention letter. Okay, next.
It is specific with past, that is Madi.
Very good. So it means after law you will observe only what? Only fail
Fele
madi.
Mazi.
Now next.
After love, 2 sentences are compulsory.
So after law, you will observe 2 sentences as I shown you. You will observe, confirm there will be 2 sentences. Next.
Scholars of grammar maintain that it is compulsory to have verbal sentence after law. If we find a noun after law, then it is said that verb is right off.
Right off. Mahdoof. If we find, for example, law, after law, if we find only noun, we will consider that the verb is mahzoof.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next.
In Jawabu Shart, we normally and mostly observe lam, which is sometimes not there. This is called Jawabul Waqiya.
This is called Jawabul Waqiya. Mostly it will be there, but it is possible sometime it cannot be there. One of the reason is ma nafi. Next. Ghazala.
Sir, okay. Yeah. In Jawabu Shart of love, there is no fa.
There's no fa. So you will not observe any type of fa here. Okay, we'll move forward. Dr. Smita, can you read what is written?
Uses of Lola.
Uses of Lola. Okay, can you read the sentence, Dr. Smita?
Lawlal matru la zahabtu.
Lawla al-matru la dhahabtu. Okay, now we have one thing more. Diba, what is this?
Sir, Adatu Shart.
Adatu shart. Al-matru, jumlatu shart, and
this Jawabu Shart.
how you will
La
pick it is
zahabtu.
Jawabu shart?
Because la is there.
Because
Attached.
lam is there. Okay.
Lam is there.
Lam is there.
Yes, sir.
Now we are encountered with another thing. Law, and with law there is la. Okay, this is a new thing.
Yes, sir.
So we'll write another sentence. Can you read, Diba?
Lawla ja'a Khalidun.
There's no second sentence. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go into slight detail. So what is the meaning of lawla? The first one?
If not.
If not. For example, you wanted to go to your friend's house, okay?
Yes, sir.
But there was rain. So you did not go, right?
Yes.
So what stopped you to going to your friend's house?
Rain.
Rain. So in Arabic language, when something stopped us already, it is in the past. Because we are saying that law, anything related to law, it means it was a condition which is related to the past. Okay?
Okay.
Like ida, it will happen. In, it could have happened. Maybe it can happen and it can be avoided. But law, it is related to the past. Something which is in the part of past. So lawla al-matru. Now we'll read some conditions in detail. Okay. What is written, Diba?
It is used in 2 ways.
Okay, the first one.
We will observe la with law, which implies the impossibility of the result because of the certainty of the condition.
Very good. So what happened? Actually, the certainty of condition stopped us to complete the result. The result was impossible to get. So lawla al-matru la dhahabtu. If there was no rain, I would have gone. So
Yes.
the rain stopped me actually. The rain was available. The rain was the cause which was not allowing me to complete the condition, which implies the impossibility of the result. It means we cannot get the result. Why? Because the certainty of the condition. So here we are observing lawla. In Quran, lawla is not too much, it's very less. But I will give you differentiation how we'll observe. So second, can you read?
In second way, we observe only one verbal sentence after lawla. This lawla is called harfu takhsis.
Harfu takhsis. Okay. What is the sentence?
So which sentence?
Which is written below?
So lawla ja'a Khalidun.
Lola ja'a Khalidun. It means takhsis, to make something, you can say, to make something special. So it is a letter for specialization. Lola ja'a Khalidun. For example, if I write a sentence, Limada ma ja'a Khalidun. What is the meaning, Diba?
Limaza jaa Khalid.
What does it
Sir,
mean, Diba? Limada?
So when?
Why? Limaza is
Oh,
why.
so why? Okay, sir. Limaza.
Why? Ma is for Nafi. Limada ma
Yes.
ja'a Khalidun. Why Khalid
Did not come.
did not come? Did not come.
Yes.
Okay, with did
Yes.
not, we will use the first form. Okay, why
Yes.
Khalid did not come?
Did not come.
Now in this, I'm asking question, right?
Yes.
But Lola ja'a Khalidun, here I'm saying the same thing, but in different meaning. Try to translate.
So why not Khalid came?
Why not Khalid came? Here I'm not asking
Why
question,
he did not
but
come?
I'm making
Okay.
him special.
Okay.
For example, your friend did not came. You are not asking question why she did not came, but you are asking in the meaning, making her special. Lawla ja'a Khalidun. Why not Khalid came? When you will say Lawla ja'a Khalidun, what people will do? They will listen to you. It means you are giving Khalid a special place, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes.
Now we have two Lawla in Arabic language. How to differentiate? Just keep in mind how to differentiate both. When it will be harfu takhsis, when it will be as shart. Very simple. After Lawla, for takhsis, making special, there will be no another sentence. Got it?
Yes, sir.
But with Lawla, this, you will observe one thing. There will be a noun. Okay? It is fixed, noun. And noun will be marfu. Got it, Diba?
Yes, sir. Marfu.
And it will be called mubtada and khabar mahzoof. What?
Okay.
Khabar write off.
Mas-
Khabar is not there.
Okay. Hmm.
And you will observe jawab ash-shart. La dhahabtu. Easy to differentiate or difficult?
Sir, easy.
I think it's easy. And totally in Quran, I think 13 sentences are there with Lawla. I'll see what is there. Lawla, 77. Okay, it means it's good numbers. Okay, we'll see. So, this is Lawla. Now we'll move and we'll try to, it went reverse. Right? It went reverse.
Yes.
Okay. So, can you read this sentence? Second one.
Sir. وَيَقُولُونَ لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ آيَةٌ مِّن رَّبِّهِ فَقُلْ إِنَّمَا الْغَيْبُ.
Hold on.
Okay.
وَيَقُولُونَ لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ آيَةٌ مِّن رَبِّي. Now, how to differentiate? This is harfu takhsis or shart. Can you explain, Diba?
Sir, because this is takhsis because in the resultant answer the lam is not coming.
Very good. No, there is no resultant. There is
Yeah.
no sentence for resultant.
Yes, sir.
You forget it.
Fakul. No, sir. Fakul is there,
No.
so means there is no lam.
That is another. You observe this in another sentence. Forget it.
Okay.
You need to keep in mind in Jawabu Shart of Lawla, there is no fa.
Okay.
So it means it is another sentence. It is separated. And you are observing here also this what? It's separation.
Okay.
It's not continuation. In Shart, Jawabu Shart, these kind of points are not there. Okay, this Saleh and Za and Allah and all these things will not be there. It will be continuing. So, Lawla unzila alayhi ayatun min Rabbi. So, after Lawla, you observe number one, Jumla Failiya. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And there is no jawab al-shart. It is for
Okay.
takhsis, making special. Dr. Mita, can you read the next sentence?
ولولا إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله.
Good. Now, it is also harfu takhsis. But how? Actually, the sentence was قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إذ دخلت جنتك. Okay? This
Yes.
is a complete sentence. This is one sentence. Actually, the place of is after kulta. It is zarf.
Yes.
So don't get confused that this is a jumla to shart and jawab shart. No, this is a single sentence. And even the second thing, Diba, you already got it that there is no jawab shart with lam, because there should be a jawab shart with lam, right? You
Yes,
are
yes,
not
sir.
observing any jawab shart with
Any
lam.
lam. Yeah.
So
Yes.
it means it is what?
So it is takhsis, sir.
It is takhsis. Ghazala Yasmin, can you read the next ayah?
لولا إذ سمعتموه ظن المؤمنون والمؤمنات بأنفسهم خيرا وقالوا هذا إفك مبين.
Very good. Now, Ghazala, what was the meaning of laula? If not,
Sir,
or why
laula?
not?
Yes, sir.
No, tell
So
me.
here
If
it will.
not, or why not?
Why not?
So harfu takhsis means why not? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is harfu takhsis, and this all is one sentence. You are not
Okay,
observing
sir.
any jawab shart with lam, right, Ghazala?
Yes, sir.
Now in the second sentence, the next one, you will observe something. Correct? Read.
Yes, sir.
Read.
ولولا أنهم كان من
No,
المسبحين.
annahu.
Sorry.
And this is
أنهم.
not walaula, it is falaula.
فلولا أنهم كان من المسبحين.
Continue.
للبث في بطنه إلى يوم يبعثون.
Very good. Now, it is what? It is laula for shart. Okay?
Yes, sir.
For shart. I'm not using this terminology, this imtina'u li wujudin, because it is difficult for you to capture it. Okay? We are used simply
Yes.
shart, for shart.
Sure.
Now, as I told you, if we'll go to the last slide, that what? After laula, there should be noun, right?
Yes, sir.
And marfu and mubtada and khabar mahzuf. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll relate this thing here. It is relating or no? So this anna, you know about anna. What is anna?
Sir, it is harf mushabba bil fail.
But what it does, it makes the sentence into masdar mu'awwal.
Okay. Yes.
It is not inna, it is anna.
Anna.
It means this full sentence is in a position.
Yes, sir.
Diba, you remember it or no?
Sir, this is nominal sentence.
This is
Annahu
nominal
kana min-
sentence, but the difference
Yes.
between inna and anna, there is some difference.
Yes.
Inna, it is simply, it takes ismu inna and khabaru inna. Okay? It will
Yes,
not take any position. But when the sentence comes by anna, this full sentence can be mubtada, it can be khabar, it can be fa'il, it can be maf'ul.
Yes, sir.
Difficult to grab it, Diba?
No, sir. Sir, I'm trying to
For
understand.
example, if I say zanantu, what I'm saying?
Zanantu.
Zanantu, it means I thought.
Yes.
Zanantu. Okay. Zanantu. Fail badi. Zanantu annaki naima. What I'm saying? Zanantu annaki naima.
Naima.
Now this naima, it is khabarunna. Okay, this is a full sentence, correct? Diva?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Zanantu, it is fail madhi, correct?
Yes, sir. Lazim.
Always remember, to make some sentence, fa'il or maf'ul or mubtada or khabar, it should start by anna. Jumla ismiya. Got it?
Yes.
No, difficulty. I am just forcing you to get it, right?
Sir, so it is maful over here.
Yeah,
Anna
it is
ki.
maf'ul. Barakallahu
Okay.
fiki.
Yes,
So
alhamdulillah.
I want to say, if you want to make jumla ismiya in a position of fa'il, maf'ul, mudaf ilayh, okay,
Okay, sir. So it will
mubtada,
start with Anna.
khabar, it should start by anna. And if you want to make jumla failiya in all these things, what you should start from? Can someone tell me? There is something you already learned it. An masdariya. An.
Masdariya, sir.
An. You remember Ghazala? An.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
An min al nawasib. Nasiba. It means if you want to make jumla failiya, fa'il, maf'ul, mubtada, khabar, what you need to do? You need to attach an.
Yes, sir.
But if you want to make jumla ismiya in some positions, you need to make it by anna. Okay. We went a little far. I know maybe it can be heavy. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for you and for me, for everyone. But inshallah, it will come somewhere. Okay. So now this all it will be called mubtada and khabaru mahzuf. This all story what I explained here, to just tell that this all sentence is considered here mubtada because of anna, because anna is taking the control as a single particle for all this sentence. If it is inna, no, we cannot do that. Then it is difficult. And then this Lola cannot be shart. Okay. Now for jawabu shart, Diba, what is available in the sentence?
Sir, lam over there.
Lam is there. This lam is there. And you will observe in Quran here, la. It means what?
La.
You need to continue the ayah. فَلَوْلَا
Yes.
أَنَّهُ كَانَ مِنَ الْمُسَبِّحِينَ لَلَبِثَ فِي بَطْنِهِ إِلَى يَوْمِ يُبْعَثُونَ. But you can stop because this is sunnah. Okay?
Yes,
Diba,
sir.
why we stop at
Yes.
the end of ayah? Because it is what?
Sunnah, sir.
It is sunnah. That Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was doing it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but if you continue it from the end of ayah, then no problem. But Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was stopping at the end of ayah. Okay, so we'll move forward. Dr. Smitha, can you read the ayah?
ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لن فضوا من حولك.
Yes. Dr. Smitha,
Yes.
why you did not take admission in Tajweed class for us with us?
Sir, after this course, inshallah, I will take, sir.
Why you are delaying? After this
You know,
course,
sir,
you will be alive. Are you sure?
inshallah, sir, if Allah wills.
No, are you sure?
Ji, sir.
In the world, anyone can be sure that I will be alive tomorrow or maybe after some time. No one is sure.
No one is sure, sir.
No one is sure. But there was one person, he was sure that he will not die. In one night, there was one night in his life, he was sure he will not die. Can someone tell me who was that guy?
Sir, Firaun?
No. It is in the Muslim Ummah, in Ummah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So can someone tell me? He was sure that he will not die. He is the only person. Okay, Asma. Who was?
Hazrat Ali Radhiyallahu anha, when he slept on the
Yes,
night of
Hazrat
his
Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he was sure in his life in one night that he will not die. So now, Diba, do you remember which was that night?
No, sir.
Sir, I
Sir,
remember.
Okay,
So
Ghazala.
when Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam had asked him to sleep in his place when he was migrating to Medina.
Very
Yes,
good.
I remember.
Very good. When Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Sayyidina Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu to spend the night in his bed, and in the morning, after waking up, give all this amana to the people and come to Medina. So Sayyidina Ali radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he was sure in that night that he will not die, because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said him, okay, sleep. And he slept very calmly and peacefully. Even he knew that the Quraysh, they are looking for Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and they make an attack. But he slept, and he slept peacefully. And he was sure that nothing will happen. Because why? Because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam tell him, wake up, you will wake up in the morning and give those amana to the people and come to Medina. So subhanallah, this is the things how we need to look into. Okay. وَلَوْ كُنْتَ فَضًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَانْفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ. Dr. Smita, what is Jawab al-Shart?
Sir, Jawab al-Shart is from Lan Fazu min Hawlika.
Okay. لَانْفَضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ. Dr. Smita, as you were
Ji,
saying,
sir.
inshallah, you will be alive. You said, you were saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you read adhkar in Sabah wal Masa? You know the
I
adhkar?
do read Askar in the morning and evening.
Okay. So when we are reading this azkar, have you ever understood or you went through in the detailed deep meaning of those?
I usually read with the meaning, sir.
Yes, the problem with us is generally, not with you, for most of the people, we are reading the adhkar, but we don't know the meanings. We are not understanding the meaning in true sense. When I'm saying, Allahumma bika amsayna wa bika asbahna wa bika nahya wa bika namutu wa ilayka al-masir. Why we are saying ilayka al-masir? In the morning when I'm waking up, I'm saying Allahumma bika asbahna wa bika amsayna wa bika nahya wa bika namutu wa ilayka al-nushur. It's very special. Why in the morning it is nushur and why in the evening it is masir? You know why we read all these du'as before sleeping, Dr. Smita?
So that
Because if you go in the meanings of all those adhkar, all those du'as, all those prayers which is the part of sunnah, you will observe you are not sure you will wake up in the morning.
yes, sir.
You know what is commanded to us? How should we pray our prayer? As-salah, that maybe it is the last salah.
Yes, sir.
We should pray our every prayer that it is the last one. Because we are not sure. Okay, we
Yes.
hope. But you can understand what I want to say. So
Yeah.
don't be so much sure. Okay, we will
No,
we'll say inshallah. But
Inshallah.
the things, if it refers to Islam and Quran and Amal, we should not delay it. Okay. So walau kunta faddal ghalid al qalbi lanfaddu min hawlik. This lam, it is showing Jawab al-Shart. Okay. Next. It is became reverse. Okay. Walau amana ahlul kitabi lakana khayran lahum. Ghazala, what is Jawab al-Shart?
Lakana khayran lahum.
It is already written. Okay. So how you'll observe, Ghazala?
So because of lam is present on the jawab.
Yes, because lam is there. Afala yatadabbarun al-Quran walau kana min indi ghayri Allahi lawajadu fihi ikhtilafan kathira. وَلَوْ أَنَّ أَهْلَ الْقُرَىٰ آمَنُوا وَاتَّقَوْا لَفَتَحْنَا عَلَيْهِمْ. It is جواب الشرط. وَلَوْ شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَعَلَكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً. And Biba, what I told, the main thing about law.
Sir, it comes if after this mazi comes.
Yes. No, the general meaning. When I differentiated between law, in and ida.
Okay, sir. For iza, it is definite that it will happen.
No,
And for
yes, ida, definitely it will happen. Very good. Okay, continue.
in is the it is optional. It may happen or it may not happen.
Good.
Yeah, and for law it is a shart, which is not happening.
Which is not happened. Okay, which is
Yes,
not
sir.
happened. It means actually it is not there. So law amana ahlul kitabi. It means ahlul kitab, they did not became mu'min, right?
Yes, sir.
Walau kana min indi ghayrillahi. It is about Quran, because it is not from ghayrullah. It is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Walau anna
Yes.
ahlul qura amanu wattaqaw. It means what? Ahlul qura, walau anna, if they, but they did not actually done. It is telling us law. It means something which did not happen.
Yes,
وَلَوْ
sir.
شَاءَ اللَّهُ لَجَعَلَكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً. But it did not happen.
Yes.
This is how the law is important. It was simple according to the grammatical rules, but to attain the meaning of law, yes, it is slightly tricky. But alhamdulillah, I hope it got easy, and it will be easy inshallah. And if I refer from the book, that from which pages you need to go through for this all conditional sentence, I'll tell you from which you have to start. Give me 1 minute. You can start reading from page number 58 from book 3, and you can continue up to 90. Page number 53 to 90 from book 3. And inshallah, it will be more easy for you, inshallah, bi-iznillah. So, alhamdulillah, rabbil alameen, subhanakallahumma bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala nabiyyina Muhammad. Ameen ya rabbal alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.